Are you ready to discover 10 amazing tech tips and tricks that will save you time, boost your productivity, and make your digital life easier? In this video, I'll share some simple but powerful hacks that everyone should know. Let's get started.
Finding information on Google is easy, but do you know how to search like a pro? If you want to find something on a specific website, type site:/website.com before your search. Need PDFs? Use file type PDF. Want to exclude something from results? Just add a minus sign before the word. Try these tricks next time you search. Does your phone battery drain too fast? Here's how to extend its life. Lower the screen brightness, enable dark mode, and turn off Bluetooth, GPS, and Wi-Fi when you're not using them. Also, avoid charging your phone overnight, as it affects battery health in the long run. If your computer feels slow and laggy, here's how to speed it up instantly. Clear temporary files by opening the Run dialog Windows +R, typing %temp%, and deleting the files inside. Also, disable unnecessary startup apps from the Task Manager and turn on Storage Sense in settings to free up space automatically. In today's digital world, privacy matters. Always use incognito mode if you don't want your browser to store history. Want faster and more private browsing? Change your DNS to 1.1.1.1, and instead of writing down passwords, use a password manager for better security. Did you know your USB drive can do more than just store files? You can make it a bootable Windows installer using software like Rufus. You can also use a USB audio adapter to connect keyboards, mice, or flash drives to your phone. And for extra security, you can set up a USB key to lock or unlock your PC. Accidentally deleted an important file? Don't panic. If it's a recent delete, check the recycle bin. But if you've permanently deleted it, you can use recovery software like Recuvo or Easiest to bring it back. And for Android users, check Google Photos Trash to restore lost images. Slow internet can be frustrating. To boost your speed, change your DNS to 8.8.8.8, Google's free DNS. Also, restart your router once a week to refresh connections and make sure your router is placed in a central location for the best signal. Here are some cool smartphone shortcuts on iPhones and Android. You can double tap the back of your phone to take a screenshot. Use Google Lens to copy text from any image, and if you're using an iPhone, just shake your phone to undo typing.
And that's it. 10 powerful tech tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.